Imagine managing your website just by chatting with AI. You can just do it with Instant Website Builder app by websites.co.in. Let us see how. From the home screen, tap AI Builder by websites.co.in. Here, you'll find several options including Create Page, Create Product, Write a Post, Edit Product, and Custom Message, all designed to make managing your website easier. Let's start with Create Page. This opens the AI chat with the message, Add a new page to my website. Simply send it to Get Started. The AI will ask for a page title. For this example, we'll enter Franchisee. Next, you can upload your own image or generate one using the built-in AI image generator. Here, we'll generate an image with AI and select Use this image. Once everything is ready, tap Publish. And that's it. The AI Builder creates the page and provides a direct link. Open it, and you can instantly see the newly created page on your website. Now let's try Create Product. Send the prompt, Add a new product to my website. The AI will guide you through the entire process, starting with the product name and price. Next, choose a discount type from percentage off, flat off, or no discount. We'll select percentage off and enter a 10% discount. Then, choose an existing product category or create a new one. For the product image, you can upload your own or let AI generate one for you. Once you're happy with the generated image, tap Use this image. Finally, enter your available inventory. Here, we'll set it to 300. You can review and edit the details if needed. When everything looks good, simply tap Publish. Your product is now live. Open the generated link to view it directly on your website. And that's how simple it is to create pages and products using the websites.co.in AI Builder. There's even more to explore with Write a Post, Edit Product, and Custom Message. Build smarter with AI Builder. Create pages, launch products, and manage your website through simple conversations with AI. Download the Instant Website Builder app today and experience smarter website management.